ever since I installed my lip kit on the car, I knew I was gonna repaint it eventually. At the time, it was winter when I installed it, so I didn't have a chance to paint it. So today I'm gonna be repainting the lip around the car since they are clearly faded. Not only that, but the current lip kit on the side of the car, maybe I didn't put enough tape or secured it properly, but it's kind of waving quite a bit, so it's not straight. So while I'm taking it off, obviously I'm going to be addressing that issue too. I'm also going to be removing the Mazda Speed spoiler in the back and remove the vinyl wrap from it. When I initially wrapped the inside of the spoiler, it had a few wrinkles, and over time it really kind of started to peel. So I'm going to be removing that, taping everything up, and painting it this time. First thing I do is shape and trim the front lip. And of course, every time I start a painting project, the weather shifts. The next day, with the weather all cleared up, I remove the lip and prep it for paint. After letting the lip dry in the sun, I can finally paint it. If you've seen my video on the sauce tune, you'd have noticed my mint $500 Mazda 3 I got. From it, there's two things I really wanted: the OEM fog light housings and the gloss black GT front grille. Alright, I guess my oil pan is busted. What? Yeah. The oil pan just let go completely. Oh man. Huh. Interesting. Anyways, that's a future me problem. For now, I got the bumper off and the housings. So before I go ahead and finish removing the front grille from this bumper to put it on my car and to install the fog light housings and fog light on my car, I'm gonna be cleaning up these fog light housing, making sure they're nice and clean, and painting them gloss black. That way they're gonna match the front of the car with the lip and also the front grille. To complete the housings, I'm adding yellow vinyl to the fog lights. So the second gen front end is not my favorite. Honestly, it's probably the ugliest Mazda 3 generation, to be honest. I think the facelift does look better than the 2010-2011 version, but I still feel like they have that smiley face, and I'm not a huge fan of that. So to kind of try to fix the front end, I'm always trying to look into ways on how to kind of make it a little bit more aggressive, or to kind of improve the front end. So I got these right here. So these are a set of eyelids. Typically, I'm not a huge fan of eyelids because I feel like they kind of look tacky and a little bit cheap. But I'm willing to give it a try. They are supposed to follow the body line of the car. So from following the hood all the way down, as if like the hood got extended. Plus I got some matching spray paint to really kind of get the headlight blended with the hood. So basically I'm gonna test fit the eyelid without painting them to see how they look. And then if I'm pretty happy on how it's looking on the car, I'm gonna go ahead and paint them and install them. To give me a better idea of what the car would look like, I add blue painter's tape before test fitting them. And I actually liked the look of it. Made me think a bit about the second generation RX-8s. So I went ahead and painted them. So to really complete the rear exterior of the car, I've been wanting something for a very long time. Basically ever since I got the platform, but never got around to getting it. That's what I got today here. I think it's really gonna tie up the back of the car really nicely. So let's open up the box. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh. Well, it comes with double-sided tape. I don't know if it comes with anything else. No. Oh, it comes with a sticker. 2 stickers. What I got is a rear wing extension. I think it's gonna look awesome, and I think it's really gonna tie up the back end, and yeah, I'm excited to install it on the car. Before I even got to installing the wing extension, I removed my old wrap and paint the inside of the spoiler. With the wing installed, I can move on to installing the painted fog light housings, the upgraded grille, and the lip. Also, we have a nice view of the K-Tune velocity stack I previously installed. I'll leave a link to that video in the description. finally, I'm installing my side skirt, making sure that I add a lot of double-sided tape this time. I'm really excited on how the car is looking now with the front grille and the fog light housings. It's honestly these little mods that make the car like OEM plus, that you get parts from other trim levels, that really makes the car special in a sense, because you're kind of picking pieces from different models and it's all OEM, so it just bolts up to the car. So super happy on the wing extension, the lip kit, and the whole front end of the car. I think the car looks really nice the way it is right now. As much as aesthetic mods are really nice and change the look of your car, power mods are always fun to have, especially on low power cars like the Mazda 3. And the best way to improve the power is by getting a tune. And you can go check out this episode right here where I did just that. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.